Write protection is a crucial security feature found on micro SD cards that you need to understand before attempting to remove it. Write protection is a security feature that prevents you from modifying or deleting data on your micro SD card, essentially putting it in a read-only state. This feature is designed to maintain data integrity and protect important files from accidental changes. The most common cause of write protection is a physical lock switch found on SD card adapters. This small sliding switch on the side of the adapter can accidentally be moved to the locked position, preventing any write operations to the card. Write protection can also be caused by several other factors. File system errors can corrupt the card's structure. Windows registry settings may enforce protection. Third-party software can lock the card. Physical damage can trigger protection modes. And virus or malware infections can also cause write protection issues. Physical damage to the SD card can trigger automatic write protection as a safety measure. If the card is severely damaged, it may become permanently read-only and require replacement. The micro SD card market is projected to grow significantly, driven by increased demand from smartphones, cameras, and IoT devices. New SD Express speed classes have been introduced, offering enhanced security and performance features that make modern cards more sophisticated than ever before. Understanding the specific cause of write protection is the first step to successfully removing it. Whether it's a simple physical switch or a more complex software issue, proper diagnosis leads to the right solution. In the next section, we'll explore the specific methods you can use to remove write protection from your micro SD card, starting with the simplest solutions and progressing to more advanced techniques. Now that we understand what write protection is, let's explore the various methods to remove it from your micro SD card. We'll start with the simplest solutions and work our way up to more advanced techniques. The first and simplest method is to check the physical lock switch on your SD card adapter. This small switch on the side of the adapter can accidentally be moved to the locked position. Simply slide the switch from the locked position down to the unlocked position. This often resolves the write protection issue immediately. If the physical switch doesn't solve the problem, we can use Windows' built-in disk part utility. This is a powerful command line tool that can modify disk attributes. This command removes the read-only attribute from your SD card. Be careful to select the correct disk number to avoid affecting other drives on your system. Another method involves using the Windows Registry Editor. This approach modifies system-level settings that control storage device policies. If the previous methods don't work, formatting the SD card can remove write protection. However, this will erase all data, so make sure to back up important files first. Third-party software like EaseUS Partition Master provides a user-friendly interface for managing disk partitions and removing write protection. These tools often have additional features for disk management. If none of these methods work, your SD card may be physically damaged and require replacement. Remember to always handle SD cards carefully and use quality card readers to prevent future issues.